Hello, this tutorial will cover hiding investments and portfolios in Fund Manager. When you sell all the shares of an investment, you may want to hide it. Hidden investments are still included in portfolio calculations, so your historical performance will still factor in any hidden investments. Hiding a sold investment is preferable to closing it. A closed investment is no longer included in the portfolio. To hide an investment, you go to the properties of the investment and click on the Other tab, and you'll see this hidden attribute. We'll just click Hidden to mark it as hidden. Once I click Hidden, this Disney investment is going to go away. You see it's no longer listed here because it's been marked as hidden. To control whether hidden items are displayed or not, you can use this menu command, View Hidden Investments and Portfolio. So if I check this, the hidden item comes back, so you can see Disney's displayed again even though it's marked as hidden. And you can tell that it's hidden based on this icon, this slightly different color, indicating that it's hidden. You can either manually hide an investment, or you can automatically hide all investments that don't own any shares by using the File Operation, Hide Sold Investments command. This is sort of a bulk command, and I'll demonstrate that by selling all of our shares of IBM. We're going to sell the 50 shares that we own. So now we have 0 shares in IBM. And if I go back to File Operations, Hide Sold Investments, you'll see that in this dialog you can operate on any sub-portfolio that you want. You can use this dialog to hide sold investments and also unhide non-sold investments. It can also turn off the option to retrieve prices for sold investments, or turn back on price retrieve for non-sold investments. The definition of whether it is sold or not is based off the date range settings you enter. If you own any shares within the entered date range, it is considered non-sold. If you want to only display investments that you currently own, enter a date range of today through today. If you want to show anything you've owned at all this year, you would enter a date range of year to date, so 1/1/15 through today. For our tutorial, we'll just hide everything that isn't currently owned, so we'll leave these set at today through today. And usually you'll want to leave all these options set. Those are the most common settings. We'll say OK, and you can see that it hid one investment, which will be the IBM that we no longer own. And so now IBM is marked as hidden. In addition to hiding investments, you can also mark entire sub-portfolios as hidden. You may want to do this if you've closed an account or transferred all the shares out of the account. This is done with the Portfolio Properties dialog. And just turn on this hidden attribute here. And you can see that the TD Ameritrade account is now not displayed. It's also controlled by this same menu command, View Hidden Investments and Portfolio. So if I turn that back on, I'll see my hidden account again. And I'll just unmark it as hidden. An alternative to hiding investments is to let Fund Manager automatically not display them in reports based on whether or not you own shares for the reporting period. So from within a report window, we'll just go ahead and create a simple portfolio value report. Select Options, Report Preferences, and on the General tab at the bottom is this setting that says do not display investments with 0 share balance. You can either have it never hide investments, just show everything, or determine the 0 share balance based on the ending report date, or a 0 share balance over the entire report date range. One benefit of this method is that Fund Manager automatically adjusts which investments are shown as you adjust report date ranges, etc. You don't have to mark any investments with a hidden attribute for this approach. You can also use a combination of both hidden investments and this report option. Whether you're using the report option or hidden items, the menu command view hidden investments always controls whether or not hidden items are displayed. If you have this option checked, everything is always going to be displayed, whether it's hidden or not, no matter what your report settings are as well. This completes the tutorial on hidden items. Thanks for watching.